Now we are discussing about tutti fruit making. Ingredients to make tutti fruit. First phase is take a green papaya, not ripe one, in middle range, and it should be useful to cut in small pieces. So in the middle range, we can cut from papaya tree. After taking green papaya, first remove upper layer with peeler. In the middle of the green papaya, remove some seeds and white layer also. Then cut papaya into small pieces. You can put those small pieces in a bandi with heated water. Let 15 minutes in the vessel on stove in sim. Then it will come into light green and white color. And the second phase is take a vessel with heat water with sugar soluble in water with concentration. Then put boiled papaya pieces into sugar water, heat some time to mix with sugar water 15 minutes. Then keep in room, spread those papaya pieces on plates up to 24 hours. By that the sugar content will be completely mixed with papaya seeds. Now your sweet papaya pieces are ready. Next is third phase. Take food colors, for examples yellow, red, green. Take 3 plates, mix with each plate with each color. Then your colorful tutti fruit is ready. Here is the secret. We are putting papaya pieces on plates in room only on fan air, but by that some moisture will be there to those. That moisture is comfortable to take food color. And next point is utility. Tutti Frutti is a delicious and tasty snacks item. Tutti Frutti is an essential item in the bakery, confectionery, sweets making industry. And next point is marketing. For marketing this, you should contact bakery shops, confectionery stores, sweet shops, ice cream shops, etc. In the long run, you will get standard income. But one thing I will say that if you want to start independently, try to get at least 1 month of training in the team of Tutti Frutti making. Then you should do independently, and you should select the location, and in that location transportation is available or not, and what are the machinery you should take, and what are the skilled labor you should take, and the most important thing is suppliers. You should maintain the suppliers list, and dealers and wholesalers. All these phone numbers, contact numbers, and their email also you should take. Then once if it is over, you can send them with emails also about your products and all these. Then they can take in wholesale price. But only one thing is you should maintain moral ethics also. That is, suppose, for example, if you put working cost of one quantity is 70 rupees, means you should sell to 100 rupees. 30% you should get the margin. Otherwise, what is the value of services and business? And next point is, once if you selling to wholesalers, means you should give them 30% margin. So that means, suppose from 70 to 100 is your margin, and from 100 to 130 is their margin. Then if those margins are comfortably, equation is comfortable, then your business will also run in the long run very well. But you should maintain capital reserve also up to 6 months, because business has to go for the time being, means it will take some time, and floating is very important. And one thing is, once if you supply to orders, if orders are coming, means you should supply. So you should maintain your own supplier for supplying your Tutti Frutti material, and as well as collecting cash also from weekly ones, and as well as you should maintain all these things very carefully. And marketing is also most important. If your person is intelligent, you can supply with them, and you can market with them, and you can get the collection from them. So all these things you can do very well. It is very better. Then only this business will run in a comfortable way. Wishing you all the best.